After buying a new car, it is always soothing making it your own. And how do you do that? Well, the best way to make your car your own is by gifting your vehicle cool car gadgets. Not only that, do you already own a vehicle and want to give it a little refreshing look? By adding a few new accessories and some new gadgets can make your car look and feel refreshing again. So, to save your precious time, here are 10 such cool car accessories you should definitely have in your vehicle. Number 10. The CarAIDE Multitool 3X. The CarAIDE Multitool 3X is an all-in-one gadget that will jumpstart your car with no jumper cables or second car needed. Plus, it will also charge your phone and laptop, cut a safety belt, break a car window in case of emergency, and scare away an attacker. This multi-tool includes a flashlight, an emergency SOS flasher, burglar alarm, and a built-in compass in case you find yourself broken down at night. The CarAIDE Multitool 3X works with any car, boat, motorcycle, or ATV that uses a 12V battery. It's slip-resistant, shock-resistant, water and dirt-resistant, and fits easily into a car door, glove compartment, or cup holder. The mega flashlight at the top of the multi-tool lights up to over 755 feet, or 230 meters. The multi-tool features 3 different settings, a beam light, an SOS light, and an emergency flasher, to help you in any emergency situation as quickly as possible. Number 9. Drive Reach Car Signal Booster. Drive Reach is our most powerful, in-vehicle cell signal booster yet. It's designed to reach the farthest cell towers in remote areas, delivering the strongest coverage possible on the road. Installed in minutes without tools, Drive Reach stops dropped calls while also improving voice quality, data speeds, and streaming capability. Drive Reach works on all US carrier networks and is compatible with all phones and cellular devices as it simultaneously supports multiple users. The magnetic exterior antenna pulls in weak signals from the nearest cell tower, runs them through the Drive Reach inside the car, boosts the signal, and transmits it through a slim, low-profile interior antenna. Installation does not require tools and takes just minutes to complete. Drive Reach supports multiple simultaneous users on any US mobile network carrier. Number 8. Hudway HeadUp Display. The $299 Hudway Drive system consists of a HeadUp display hard parts and an accompanying free smartphone app called Drive. The HUD device itself sits on a flexible rubberized platform that adheres to your dashboard, typically right above your instruments and steering wheel. The base has flexible, positionable wings and a big adhesive pad, making it a fairly permanent proposition once installed, so fine-tuning placement before locking down the adhesive is a good idea. Once dialed in, the HUD section can disconnect from the base to be less tempting to car prowlers. Power comes from a long USB cord that ends in a familiar legacy USB Type-I/2 connector. The HUD display itself is a transparent panel that allows for fine-tuning your eye line to the display or folding it down flat. A small projector housing sits close to your steering wheel. Number 7. Mki Door Step. The Mki Door Step provides easy access to your vehicle's roof. Simply hook the door step over the U-shaped door latch in each of your vehicle's doors. Load and strap down car top cargo bags and boxes, canoes, kayaks, and SUPs, skis and snowboards, and bikes. Even use it to help wash your vehicle's roof. The step provides a comfortable platform for both feet and allows for a balanced standing position. The patented step eliminates dirty shoes on vehicle seats and the need for step stools or ladders. If you are short or your vehicle is tall, the Mki Door Step makes getting your gear on or off all. Number 6. Launch Scan Tool. Over time, cars have become more modern and digital. Onboard electronics are becoming more versatile and the whole car seems to be more interconnected. Therefore, more digital errors can occur, which can affect the condition and value of the car. There we need a car diagnose tool after installation. The diagnostic device goes to troubleshooting. For this purpose, the OBD2 scanner device is connected to the control units and the often ultra-modern onboard electronics. These continuously store data. This data is largely unimportant and often remains unchanged. However, some of this information is essential for your diagnostic device. Number 5. KETO Smart Car Key. KETO provides strong security available. Bluetooth communication between KETO and the smartphone app is protected by a highly engineered encryption algorithm currently employed on the latest and most secure cloud platforms, such as Google and Amazon. KETO provides one-of-a-kind key sharing feature. With the KETO mobile application, you can share your car key with other people easily. Our encryption technology keeps the sharing process safe. If you want to share the family car or if you want to lend your car to your friend, KETO is the best. We have developed two-channel authentication technology using Bluetooth and an inaudible sound wave. With KETO, a car can start only when your authenticated mobile key is detected inside the car. The unique mechanism of KETO changes your car key into a mobile key without visiting a mechanic or damaging your car. Number 4. Mobile Sanitizer Box. The Utilomedic in-car phone sanitizer is specifically designed for in-car use. It's a UVC sanitizing case with a 10 watts wireless charger built into the lid. The UVC sanitizer features 8 UVC LED lights that produce 5 milliwatts per LED and provide 170 degrees of light coverage for your phone. Within 5 minutes, 99.9% of bacteria and viruses will be cleaned off the surface of your phone with complete 360-degree sanitizing power. The inside of the compartment has bumpers that a phone can rest inside. This prevents the phone from sliding from side to side while the car is in motion. Number 3. Mojipic Emoji Car Display. Let Mojipic transform your driving experience. Show everyone how you feel with a voice-controlled emoji car display with GIFs or any special images you choose. Express yourself by sending smiley faces to considerate drivers, showcase your support for your favorite sports teams on big game days, or let your passengers enjoy any of the pre-installed games while you drive. Mojipic is a hands-free device that is voice-activated. It integrates perfectly with Apple Siri or Android devices using Google Assistant through the Mojipic mobile app. Day or night, low light or super bright light, everyone will be able to see Mojipic. It's bright enough to be seen, without being blinded. Number 2. Michelin Airless Tires. Airless tires have been around for a long time on industrial machinery like forklifts and other devices. However, those tires haven't been available for passenger vehicles until now. Michelin is showing off a new airless tire that relies on rubber C-shapes underneath the tread in the area where air would normally help the tire maintain pressure. Anyone who's ever had a flat tire can immediately see the benefit of the Uptize tire. No air means no leaks and no flats. Another major benefit to going airless is a more durable tire, resulting in fewer tires being tossed into the landfill each year. Lastly, since the tire has no air inside, you don't have to check pressures. The tire is always at the optimal pressure, fuel efficiency and handling. Uptize tires have a design that allows the tire to be tuned to the individual application by adjusting the stiffness of the internal structure. Number 1. Hail Car Protector. Whether you live in Texas, Colorado, Nebraska, or any other state known for its severe hailstorms, no other car cover will protect your vehicle better than the patented Hail Protector. No matter if you're dealing with pea-sized or baseball-sized hail, you're protected. This unique vehicle cover does it differently, as you can tell by the picture. Available in 6 sizes for cars, trucks, and SUVs, Hail Protector installs in about 5 minutes, after one practice install, and inflates to full size / protection in about another 5 minutes. What's great is that it includes 3 different power sources, AA battery pack, 1 hour of protection, car accessory plug, 3 hours of protection, and standard AC cord / adapter. You even get a remote control to be able to inflate the cover from the comfort of your home or work office. Hail Protector was invented, developed, and tested in North Texas over a 5-year period, so you'll know it'll stand up to damaging hail and high winds. The included smartphone app will even. I hope, in this video you get to know some new gadgets. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.